Hello everyone, this is Jagdtiger 331. There will be YouTube videos about the tank in the description below, but this piece is at the Armor and Cavalry Museum at Fort Moore, ex-Fort Benning, and it has a story to tell. All I know though is that it's been shot a ton of times, and you can see where the 75 and 76 rounds have shaved off the armor from the upper glacis, the sides, and even the gun mantle. The gun would be much further out if the commander didn't order the destruction of the hydraulic system that is responsible for repositioning the gun. You can look in through the rear hatch and see the cannon breech and some of the interior. Also, I have some news. The Armor and Cavalry Museum will be open on September 9th for a live fire including Abrams tanks, mortars, and Bradleys, and on October 21st for a model show. Also, I'll be posting a few more videos about my trip to the Armor Museum. And thanks for watching and have a great day. See ya.